Welcome back to Technology in the Future. Today, we're looking ahead to full-frame mirrorless cameras that have the photography world buzzing with anticipation. Sony's next-gen A75 and Sigma's rumored FPQ. These upcoming models could redefine what creators expect from compact, high-performance cameras designed for both stills and video. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, a hybrid content creator, or a photography enthusiast chasing cutting-edge gear, 2025 is shaping up to be a thrilling year. Let's start with the Sony A75, a model that's been delayed more than once, but for good reason. The A75 is expected to be Sony's next evolution in hybrid camera design, following the success of the A74. While the A74 brought a robust 3.3MP sensor and reliable autofocus to the table, the A75 aims to push further by integrating advanced AI technologies, a redesigned body, and enhanced video performance. Sony has been fine-tuning this model, particularly in areas like thermal management and real-time tracking for both photo and video. According to recent reports, the A75 may launch around mid-2025, with an expected price range between $2,799 and $2,999, positioning it right alongside competitors like the Canon EOS R6 Mark II and the Nikon Z6 III. Sony's goal: deliver a feature-rich, professional-grade camera that remains accessible for content creators who want both versatility and performance. Now, one of the key questions is around the sensor. Some rumors suggest Sony may keep the 3.3MP full-frame sensor found in the A74, but pair it with the newer Bion's XR processor for improved performance. However, more exciting leaks point to a brand new 4.2MP stacked BSI sensor, possibly the IMX366. Which would deliver not just higher resolution, but also faster readout speeds, better dynamic range, and enhanced low-light capabilities. These improvements could dramatically boost both image quality and video recording performance. Speaking of video, the A75 is rumored to be a powerhouse. Expectations are high for 4,000 recording at 1:0 FPS, with 10-bit FAT2 internal recording as standard. This would be a significant leap for creators who rely on buttery slow-motion footage and robust color grading workflows, while some are speculating that 8,000 recording might make an appearance. Sony seems more focused on high quality, usable 4K without overheating or other reliability issues. Smart move, considering many professionals prioritize stability over headline grabbing. Specs. On the design front, the A75 is said to draw inspiration from both the Sony A9 III and the A7RV, adopting a more ergonomic grip, a high-resolution 5.76 m.OLED DVF, and a fully articulating 4-axis touchscreen. These changes would make it easier to shoot in challenging environments or from creative angles. Despite these enhancements, the body may be slimmer and lighter than the A74, while still offering robust weather sealing to protect against dust and moisture. Sony's decision to delay the A75 appears strategic. Aside from chip shortages affecting production, Sony reportedly wanted to ensure that the AI-powered autofocus and heat dissipation system were top-notch. They're also possibly timing the release to strategically respond to Canon's next major mirrorless release. Now, let's pivot to the Sigma FPQ, a camera still shrouded in mystery, but one that's gaining serious attention in professional circles. Sigma's FP series is known for its modular design and exceptionally small footprint, and the FPQ could be the most advanced model yet. The FPQ is believed to be a quad-Bayer sensor camera, hence the Q. This sensor tech groups 4 pixels together to improve light sensitivity, allowing for pixel binning when needed. If the leaks are accurate, the FPQ could offer between 6.0 MP and 80 MP, potentially making it one of the highest resolution full-frame cameras on the market in such a small form factor. This would appeal not only to high-end photographers, but also to creators working in fashion, product photography, and large-scale commercial projects. What's especially compelling is the rumored video performance. The FPQ may deliver 6K or even 8K raw video recording, along with 12-bit RAW output via USB-C or HDMI. There are whispers of support for ProRes RAW or Blackmagic RAW, which would make this camera a dream tool for filmmakers needing cinematic quality in a portable package. If Sigma also improves thermal performance, as rumored, the FPQ could be usable for longer shoots without the risk of overheating, something the original FP series struggled with. On the connectivity side, USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 would allow for ultra-fast file transfers, and the camera will likely maintain L-mount compatibility, giving users access to a wide selection of lenses from Leica, Panasonic, and Sigma. Even with all this tech packed in, Sigma is expected to stick to its minimalist design just with better touchscreen usability and weatherproofing. The idea behind the FPQ seems to be clear. Bring cinema quality video and ultra high resolution stills to a body small enough to fit in a jacket pocket or mount on a drone. If even half the rumors are true, this could be a game-changing camera not only for travel vloggers and YouTubers, but also for high-end production teams looking for a stealthy B-cam or gimbal-mounted rig. In summary, both the Sony A75 and Sigma FPQ showcase very different visions for what the future of mirrorless photography and video could look like. Sony's offering is all about blending AI, performance, and usability in a hybrid package that fits into any workflow. Sigma, on the other hand, is pushing boundaries in size and image quality, aiming to deliver a compact yet uncompromising filmmaking tool. As we move closer to 2025, keep an eye on both of these models. They may well become the defining cameras of the year. Thanks for watching Technology in the Future. For more updates, hands-on reviews, and deep dives into upcoming tech gear, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. See you in the next one.